Hello, sir and madam. Good day. I am Janet Ventura Cardenas, 39 years old. I am single mom. I have one daughter. I came from San Pedro Malig, Isabela, graduate of high school. I have experience working as a domestic helper for 4 years in Kuwait, 6 months in Hong Kong. My duties in Kuwait are includes of taking care of children, 5 years old and 3 years old twins. My duties in Hong Kong are taking care of pets, one dog, 3 cats, and 1 turtle. I also do all the household chores. I am very confident of taking care of baby or children because I am a mother too. And I'm very confident because I have experienced it with my previous job. I am simple, kind, honest, obedient, trustworthy, industrious, and patient. I will handle my homesickness by going to keep myself busy by doing household chores such as cooking, cleaning, ironing, and taking care of the children. Sir, Madam, thank you for this chance. You will not regret for choosing me as your domestic helper. I will do the best that I can to serve you and your family. And I am well experienced as a domestic helper. My years of service has been tested. I believe that I possess the quality that you are looking for. Thank you so much for your time, and I'm looking forward to working with you and your family. Thank you.